DC microgrids need smarter protection to scale clean energy. Key facts. The global DC microgrid market is expected to reach $9.8 billion by 2028, driven by demand from EV infrastructure, industrial automation, and logistics. Over 60% of U.S. manufacturers are integrating on-site renewables or microgrids to cut emissions and improve energy resilience. DC systems can deliver up to 30% more efficiency by eliminating AC-DC conversion, especially in data centers, warehouses, and EV charging hubs. Yet, DC protection standards remain fragmented, leaving industrial operators vulnerable to equipment damage, downtime, and safety risks. The opportunity and the weak link DC microgrids offer unmatched flexibility and efficiency for industrial and commercial users. By eliminating energy-wasting conversions and aligning directly with solar, storage, and EVs, they support everything from warehouse automation to semiconductor fabrication. But they also introduce new vulnerabilities. A recent peer-reviewed study outlines a major concern. Conventional fault protection strategies used in AC systems fail to address the unique risks posed by DC microgrids. DC systems don't naturally zero out current like AC systems do. When a fault occurs, such as a pole-to-ground or pole-to-pole fault, the current can spike in microseconds, often reaching 100x normal load. Without fast, reliable fault detection and isolation, equipment failures, fire risk, and operational disruptions become real threats. Factors affecting DC microgrid protection. Industry impact, from manufacturing to cold chain logistics. As businesses electrify their operations, including autonomous material handling, robotics, and 24/7 warehouse systems, reliability becomes non-negotiable. In sectors like semiconductor and precision manufacturing, milliseconds of downtime can destroy work in progress. Cold storage and food logistics, a fault can compromise perishable inventory. EV fleets and last-mile hubs, DC systems must handle bidirectional charging and variable loads in real time. In all cases, robust protection is essential, not only for compliance, but for business continuity and ROI. Emerging solutions, high-speed breakers, AI, and adaptive control. To meet these demands, several advanced protection strategies are gaining traction. Solid-state and hybrid circuit breakers, SSCBs, HCBs, these interrupt faults in microseconds, minimizing converter damage. AI-based detection systems, machine learning models trained on current and voltage patterns, improve accuracy under fluctuating conditions. Smart grounding strategies, tailored to system topology, these reduce overvoltage risk and improve safety in unipolar or bipolar setups. Fault current limiters, FCLs, scaled for compact industrial spaces, FCLs help prevent dangerous peak current levels during faults. Despite promising lab results, commercial adoption lags. High costs, lack of integration standards, and insufficient real-world data are holding back widespread deployment, especially for small and mid-size operators. What business leaders should do now? Evaluate protection readiness as part of any microgrid or electrification upgrade, especially for high-load or process-critical systems. Invest in systems with fast, modular protection that can adapt to new DRs, CPLs, and bidirectional flows. Engage with policy discussions to accelerate standardization around DC grounding, relaying, and AI-integrated fault detection. Pilot new technologies in controlled segments of operations to measure ROI on resilience and energy efficiency. DC microgrids are foundational to clean, efficient industrial energy, but they are only as reliable as their weakest component. Without smarter protection systems, the business case for DC begins to unravel under real-world conditions. As manufacturing, logistics, and clean energy sectors align, investment in protection is no longer optional. It's the key to unlocking safe, scalable, and resilient power in the decade ahead. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites by E&E Leader. For partnership opportunities, reach out to a member of our team today.